Okay. Hi everyone! I'm Teacher Precious and welcome to Art Smart! Ang gagawin natin today ay monochrome landscapes. So ang materials na gagamitin natin today ay... What do you mean by monochrome? May ibig sabihin ng monochrome. Sino nakakaalam? Sino may idea? So mono means one. Chrome means color. So when we say monochrome, we mean painting with or coloring with one color only. Okay, one color. Or one, more appropriate term is hue. So get your paper and maybe we'll make two layers or maybe just one. Kasi minsan kailangan mo munang patayuin yung watercolor bago ka maka-work ng isa pa. So first get your brush. Okay. And then we will fill this with the light color. Light muna. Sige, unahin natin yung light blue. So get some on your mixing plate dito sa takip o kaya dito sa takip. Dito tayo magmi-mix. Ilagyan nyo muna ng water. Okay, add water. Okay. And we'll try to just gawin natin yung blue muna ha, light blue. Okay, water dito. And then here. I'll show you how we make different shades of blue. Okay. So I will get some blue. So when you get paint, look, dahan-dahan lang. Swirl 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nilagay muna natin sa gitna. Okay. This may be too light. Tapos, in here, we'll make a lighter blue. Tingnan nyo. Pag lighter blue, pag watercolor, we'll just use water. Diba? Water lang to. Papatakan nyo lang ng konti. Yan. Diba? Kita nyo, mas light na siya. Okay, dito lang gagamitin natin. So, dito naman, gagawa tayo ng mas darker shade. Lagyan nyo lang ng blue. Okay, if you're using colored pencil, you'll mix blue and some black. Yan, blue. Dito yung gagawin natin mas dark, yung nasa left side. Then, pwede nyo rin lagyan ng konting brown or black. Actually, pag nilagyan nyo ng orange, mag-darken siya. Okay, so kunwari, I will wash the brush. You wash it here first. Okay, and then here. Okay, try natin kumuha ng black. Dark blue. Dark blue. Para mas dark siya. Pag nakita nyo, di ba, mas dark na to? Ayan, darker na siya. Ito muna tayo. Ayan, so look, meron na ako yung blue. Tapos yung dark blue. A light blue. Okay, we'll use the light blue. Light blue. Okay, to add color. That's okay kasi that's what we want. Pwede nyo lagyan ng konti. Okay. Important is it's really light. And then, sa watercolor, try not to rub your paper too much. Okay, as much as possible, be gentle and wait, where's my do a standing brush. Here's my card. So ngayon, okay na tong ating blue, di ba? Okay, now, because ayaw natin tong mag-smudge, okay, we will let it dry first. Okay, we will let it dry. Patuyin natin. So, tatabi ko muna tong blue, ha? Kamusta yung work nyo? How was your work? Were you able to make the light blue? Light blue. Okay, we let it dry. Okay, try naman natin gawin ngayon itong color. Doon naman sa yellow at sa red. For now, for the yellow, sige, mag-mix ulit tayo. Pwede rin naman, you wet the paint first, use a clean. This is a new one, ha? Okay. Ito yung isa. We'll let it dry. Drying time. So, drying time. Okay, drying time. Napatuyo muna natin itong isa. Okay. Next, water first. Water. Yan, we're doing a wet on wet muna. Yellow naman to, yellow. But, konti lang. We want a very, very pale and light yellow. And look, I cleaned my brush first. Okay, very light yellow. So, we're making two. Meron tayong blue. Tapos meron tayong yellow. Faded yellow. Actually, better if you can tape your words. Para hindi gumagalaw. Okay? There. Okay, now, very light yellow. Diba? Okay. How many colors again yung kailangan natin gawin? How many colors dapat? Actually, pwedeng yellow lang. Yan. Now, we let it dry. Okay. Meron na tayong blue and yellow. We have blue and yellow. Okay. So, if wet pa yung inyong paper, wet pa yung paint, tapos nilagyan nyo siya ng darker paint, okay, magsasmudge siya or kakalat. Okay, sabi ni Pearl, do not mix the paint. Example, blue and red, if it's wet, it will mix. Okay, we call it wet on wet. So, example, ganito mangyayari kapag nag-yellow kayo, kunwari, tapos haluan nyo pa ng, kunwari, ng brown, kakalat siya. Tataas, okay? But we want, ayaw natin ng medyo kumakalat. So, gusto natin yung medyo defined yung line. So, kaya pinapatuyo natin. So, we have to let it dry. Okay, now. Okay, now. So, I think our blue is a bit dry. Okay, medyo dry na ba yung blue ninyo? Okay. So, this is what we're trying to make. We want a blue landscape and a yellow or orange landscape. Okay. Criswell, but you said I have one water. Maybe meron kang glass or cup or kahit pet bottle. Mga pet bottle, yung mga used bottles nyo, i-cut nyo lang yon para hindi mataas. You can use that to have two water containers. May kasi important. And if nagkamali kayo, example, your work is dirty, it's okay because it's your first time. But next time, if you have time, you can make another one and make sure to use clean water. Okay. I'm here with my blue paint. Okay, this is the blue paint. And then we will use yung medium blue. Ito naman yung gagamitin natin. Yung gitnang blue. Gamitin natin itong kulang yung paint. Ito naman gitnang blue. Gamitin ko tong git ng blue ay mas darker. Okay, ngayon, oops. Okay, gawa tayo ng parang dito sa aking example. See? Okay, parang layers ng bundok. Okay, gawa tayo ng ready na ba kayo dito sa isa? Gawa tayo ng parang mga bundok naman. Curve line. Okay, and then another curve line. Ayan. Line lang muna. And then, while it's still wet, we will fade it downward. Okay. So, depende sa paintbrush nyo. Pwedeng hindi na kayo ayan. I-fade lang natin siya pababa. Okay. So, ngayon nakikita nyo na, di ba? This is very light and this is a bit darker. Ayan. Making monochrome. Ganyan lang muna. Now, habang pinapatuyo natin to, okay, now, dito na tayo ulit sa yellow. Okay, get your yellow paper. Okay, get your yellow paper tayo naman. Actually, pwede nyo siya i-tape. Now, yung yellow, pwede natin gamitin, kung meron kayo nitong yellow ochre or darker brown. Okay? Pwede rin namang orange. Sige, brown na lang, brown. Meron ba kayong brown paint? Mas madali yata kung orange yung gagamitin natin. Yan na konting orange. Konting orange naman. Or brown. Mix kayo ng medyo mas dark lang. Make sure. Okay, gagamit ako ng tape. Meron akong scratch paper. Minsan, you can test your paint first. Ayan. Test muna kayo. Ayan. Ganito lang ka-light. Okay, Kailangan ba super dark agad yung gagawin natin? Hindi mo na, di ba? So, mix lang ako ng yellow tsaka brown. Konti lang. Yan. Gawa tayo ng medyo mas dark lang dun sa unang yellow na ginawa nyo. Desert pala to, no? Ano itsura? Okay. Okay, actually, meron pa nga akong circle dito for the sun. Pwede tayong gumawa rin ng ganun. Okay. Drawing lang ako dito ng circle para sa sun. Iwasan ko yan. Circle na to. Ayan. Fade natin. Same lang with the blue. Ayan. Yung taas lang yung lalagyan nyo. And then, i-fade natin siya. So, yan. So, very important then. It's very important that the quality of the paintbrush that you're using. Sometimes, if you're using a plastic brush, it doesn't absorb water. So, kaya kailangan kuha kayo ng kuha ulit ng paint. Okay, but if you're using a Chinese brush or a watercolor brush, mas madali siyang maka-absorb ng water. Hindi kayo balik ng balik dito sa paint. If your brush is already dry, that means wala nang paint yung brush nyo. If your brush is already dry, that's a dry brush. That means you have to get water again, get some paint, and then paint it again. Oops, yan, kumabal tuloy. Okay, now we're done with the yellow. Okay. So ngayon, look at my yellow. It's still wet. Pag nakikita nyong shiny pa, sabihin basa pa siya. So papatuyuin muna natin. Okay, we let it dry. So while I'm letting it dry, we'll work on the blue again. Ngayon naman, anong color gagamitin natin sa blue? Same ba or darker? So we should use the darker shade. Gamit tayo ng mas darker blue or pwede rin na same ninyo haluan pero dapat mas maraming paint kayong kukunin. Get more pigment or get more paint so that the pigment is stronger para mas darker siya tignan. So yun yung gagawin natin. So I'm washing the brush here. Remove the water. Clean it again to make sure that it's really clean. Now, this one, di ba, medyo maputla. It's faded. So, we'll make it a bit darker. Ayan. So, now, another layer. Pwede naman iba. Ayan, di ba? Darker naman siya. Tapos, ganun din. After nito, hindi na ako kukuha ng paint. I-fade ko na lang siya. White water na lang yan na konti. Tatatakpan naman yan until mamaya. Yan, di ba? Actually, pwede nyo pa pala itong itaas. Pwede natin takpan. Yan. So, the paint, it doesn't mix dun sa paint sa taas kasi tuyo na yung nasa taas natin na paint. Yan. Minsan, you can even tilt the paper. Tingnan nyo, pag tinilt natin siyang pag ganun, yung pigment, pupunta sa dulo, mas makakagawa siya ng defined lines. Ayan. Ito naman tayo sa yellow ulit. Sa yellow ulit. Okay. Okay. So, clean your brush. Use a clean water. Yan, done na. Clean water. Doon tayo sa brown naman. Medyo mas light brown. Pwede nyo i-mix yung yellow tsaka brown. Kuha lang kayo ng mas darker shade ng yellow. Yan, yellow tsaka yellow ochre. Okay. Gawa lang tayo. Medyo lilitan ko kunwari yung mga bundok-bundok naman sa gilid. Eh, basa pa ito. Yan. Pero okay lang. Yan. Medyo hinaluan ko. Yung yellow, hinaluan ko ng konting brown. I mixed a little bit of brown dun sa yellow. Oops. Yan. Yan. So, we're just making layers. Yan. And we let it dry. Ngayon naman. Okay. What should we use here? How can we make the blue darker? Paano tayo gagawa ng mas darker blue? We'll use blue and maybe you can add a little bit of brown or black or orange to make it darker. So, meron na ako ditong mas darker blue yung ginawa natin kanina, diba? Okay. Gawa na tayo ng last layer. Ng darker blue. Para meron lang kayong illusion na ito yung floor. Dapat nakatape kasi ito eh. Para hindi gumagalaw. Yan. Oops, hindi nyo pala kita. There. Ayan, kita nyo na. Kita na. Oops. Yan. Dark blue. Yung kung gusto nyo 4 layers, pwede nyo pang gawing black yung pinakailalim. You can make the bottom part dark. Diba? Parang mga wallpaper. Pwede nyo rin lagyan ng, so I'm gonna use a smaller brush. Dito. Nalagyan ko siya ng parang mga puno. Tingnan nyo. Line. Ito basa pa pero okay lang. Yan na, basa pa. Pwede naman para magmukhang puno. Yan. Tapos, you'll use a dabbing technique. Dab. Basa pa kasi, kaya kailangan tuyo eh. Better if tuyo. Ito na yung ating blue sa blue paint. Okay? There. Okay? Ngayon naman habang pinapatuyo natin, pwede na natin gawin din yung yellow. Okay? Let's finish this one. Ito naman. Ito na yung last part. Okay? So maybe let's use brown na. Brown. You can mix yellow and brown, but this time dapat mas marami ng brown. Diba? Okay. Kuha lang tayo ng parang desert. Na. I mix yellow and brown, but this time more brown. Mas marami ng brown. Smudge man because it's still wet, it's okay. And if you think your work is not perfect, it's okay. You can try again. You can watch the replay of this video on my Facebook page. Again, Knowledge Channel Facebook page. Lagyan natin ng mountain. Kunwari gusto ko merong mataas na mountain. Or cliff or plateau. Okay, kung not-smudge, it's okay. Kunwari, far away siya. Okay. There. Okay, how was your work? Kamusta ang inyong work? Were you able to make the 2 shades? Okay ba? Nagawa ba? Nagawa ang ating dalawang landscapes? Okay. Yan. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng silhouette, kagaya ng cactus, pwede nyo ring i-try. Kung gusto nyo lagyan pa ng mas darker na puno, pwede nyo ring gawin. Okay? So, alright. Thank you for joining us today. So, tulad ng nakita nyo, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang pen drawing. So, thank you so much!
Know your art, be art smart!